Okay, evening ladies. Okay, I've reviewed through the video and I have some concerns that I want to address. Okay, I will go through the video with you all step by step, and then I'll also feedback to you what I feel that is necessary to improve on. Okay. Okay. I don't understand what's so funny. Okay, but these things should be minimized. I expect cases to be done in serious mode. Okay, there shouldn't be laughing, there shouldn't be joking. Can you imagine if the people on the floor it's not some random people, but it's actually friends, and this is the actual thing that's happening to them? You think you can laugh? Okay, I hope you understand that. I know it's not a competition period, but this must be maintained. Okay, at all cases. Okay, if there's no gloves in the first aid kit, go and pack gloves. Okay, there's a lot of gloves that have been purchased. Please go and do so. If you need to wear gloves for each of the cases, go ahead and do. Okay, we can always replace them. Your checking of danger is checking for danger. You haven't looked around, you haven't moved around a bit, you already ask, is there any danger? Please. That is not right. Okay? You need to put in the effort to go and look, even if you see or you don't see. Okay? Now, if I followed by case study, okay, in this case study, there is no danger set. Okay, note to instructor will show. Okay, but it doesn't mean that you don't do any search. Okay, at least spend some time, 10-15 seconds, sorry, 10-15 seconds, check, confirm nothing, at least make some effort to check before you ask. Okay, and I need to say this, keep the unnecessary movement or comments away. Okay, keep that to the minimum. Now, I know you all are relaxed doing this, okay, but in the actual ground, if you give this type of comments, okay, it is not very nice to the judge. Okay, professionalism and confidence. Okay, I don't see these two coming out from you all at this point of time. Okay, I hope Andrea, you're talking to the casualty and telling her who you are, what you're going to do. Okay, you're gonna do assessment. Okay, see if there are any other injuries. I don't know whether you have asked the question whether or not where she's not feeling well. Has she replied you anything or not? Okay, I hope in the next recording, yeah, I can hear more of it. If you say a bit louder, please do so. Okay, you are fighting time in the camera. Four of you in one camera. This is the problem, but it's fine. Okay, say it a bit louder. The judge also need to hear. Please go and review your primary and secondary survey slide decks. I don't think just by putting your hand there alone without going through the rest of the scalp is considered checking for head injuries. Your shoulder, neck injury checking also not correct. Okay, Abu, you're asking of whether or not you can take the water bottle. Okay, please do it. Okay, asking it properly. Or for example, okay, instructor, can I take the water bottles, or is this water bottle for use? Okay, not, hey, I take this water bottle. Okay, that is not right. Okay, I can't see the way the leg is being checked for this casualty. Now, if I'm not wrong, what I'm seeing is hands side by side going up the leg. Okay, by right it's not. Is both hands will cup the surrounding of the leg. Okay, measuring from the bottom to the up. Okay, it's how Christina asks you to check when you're checking the arms. Later on you will see. Same way as you're checking leg. Okay, hands and legs the same way to check. And you're supposed to check one arm versus the other arm so that you know the difference between each arm and see if there any swelling, any bleeding, or anything that's out of the usual from the other arm. So you need to access it through the time, right? You should be feeling and then wondering whether or not, okay, this arm, this feels like that. Does this arm have any difference? Okay. I expect you all to keep this type of comments down. Okay, that is not also again not the way to check legs like that. Okay, I don't see capillary refill being checked at this point in time. Okay. Try to keep the spectacles and all the personal belongings away that you need to cross them like that. Very dangerous if you step onto them. I'm surprised you don't ask her what's happening before you call, even because you already repeated the case a few times, you know what's asking. Okay, but even if you repeat the case again, at least ask the proper things. Okay, Abu, if you find that you have nothing to do, okay, go and fan, go and talk to the judge, tell the judge what's happening, so and so forth. Make yourself busy, but at the same point of time, okay, you don't have to be down there waiting for or looking around. Okay, try not to do that. It makes it look like there's nothing to do. Okay. uh One more thing, when you're reporting the call to the ambulance, okay, I heard casualty A, casualty B. Okay, I believe there isn't such thing called casualty A and casualty B. Okay, that when you call the ambulance, a male casualty or a female casualty, or one casualty with suffering from blah 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 blah, okay, it shouldn't be something like casualty A doing this, doing this, doing this. Okay. Okay, please go and add the thermometer and the thermometer cover into the first aid kit. Okay, all these things should be added in. Okay, if they're originally not in the list, never mind, just start adding them in. Okay, we'll update the list accordingly. There's no more standard packing list, so we can actually add in what we need to. Okay, if you're